At Equator Advanced Appliances, we have developed a modern all-in-one washer and vented dryer combo with the EZ4800. Let's look at its standout features. The EZ4800 isn't just a washer and dryer. It's an all-in-one laundry solution combining cutting-edge technology and convenience. One of its standout features is the pet cycle. Say goodbye to stubborn dog and cat hair on your fabrics. In just one cycle, the EZ4800 effectively eliminates pet hair, leaving your clothes fresh and fur-free. But that's not all. The sanitize and allergen cycles are game changers. It eliminates germs and wash away common allergens, ensuring your clothes are clean and hygienic. This machine can truly adapt to your lifestyle, fitting perfectly into any space you choose. As an RV-tested combo, it is ideal for RVs and motorhomes, offering effortless installation. This vented combo with dual fans offers 30% faster drying times and consumes 30% less energy than traditional dryers. Ready to revolutionize your laundry routine? Bring home the Equator's EZ4800 Super Combo today.